Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm entering the Townsbowiebuildoff. This will be my very first knife. I have been blacksmithing maybe a month. I've made roughly 6 items, and I'm going to be using this piece of spring steel here. And I just welded a little piece of rebar into the end to get a little bit more of a handle. And okay, we're going to be widening the blade some. Starting here is getting the ricasso and the tang formed. Here is the progress that we have so far. This is mostly forged. I did grind the tang. I ground the edge ever so slightly down to about 1 mil, and then I did a slight grinding on the false edge just to eliminate some of the grinding I'll have to do after the hardening. But we're about to quench. Let's see how this goes. We're going to go ahead, put the guard on, put the spacer on. Get this filled with a little bit of epoxy. we are finally done with the Townsbowiebuildoff knife. This is my very first knife. I think it turned out pretty good. We used spring steel for the blade. We had, I believe, a little piece of 1095 for the guard, mild steel spacer, cherry wood handle, another mild steel spacer for the back, and we peened it over, and we did a little bit of peening texture here. And overall, the fitting in between each part is nice. It's not perfect, but I wasn't expecting it to be for just starting out. But the fitting is nice, close, everything is nice and tight. The blade is sharp. Cut some hair there. And for a first knife, I started out with a fairly large knife due to the challenge itself. And that's what's good about this. It challenges you to get out there and build something you may not do. Normally, this is my first one. I've only been forging a few months. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video watching me go through my first knife. I'm sure I did some stuff that you wouldn't normally do, but I tried to do everything the best to my ability, and that's all you can do. Excited to get out there and start making more. I'll see you all in the next video.